Hi everybody. Okay, today I show you another flower. We have see a lot of fruit tree, but today I can do another subject. It's a flower. It's a pink flower. There's a roll in the container. You can see it's here. See, that's it's look nice. Here's this flower, but this flower they have the needle. Be careful when you touch your finger right here, because you might be get some thing stick in your skin. It's a hurt. Okay, here. I don't know how long is my dad wrote the flower in the container, but you can see the trunk is the tree. The trunk is big. I can probably a couple years, 1 or 2 years, I believe. So it's up to you. You want taller, just keep it high. If you don't want tall, just trim it and cut whatever. So probably I think my dad cut it, so you can see it's here. He cut it. That's because he wrote in the container he doesn't want it so too high and too tall. This one, let me see. So just not sure. Okay, let's go to show you another one. Look, the wing. Ha. You can hear the bird singing a lot on the tree there. Let's see. Okay, let's go to another one. Another one, pink tube. Yeah, it's a pink tube. Just in the container too. You can see this. It's not too high. It's not high. Let me see. He put some the wood, cheap woods in here. No, wood the cheap here, so it keep the moisture. Also, the soil is not flow around, because when there's wind, the big wind, if you don't put wood chip in here, it might be dirt, flow dirt everywhere. So you can see it's a whole flower tree in a container here. Okay. Just see, it's look beauty, is it? Let me see. I need to get my camera so I can take a nicer picture. I can take it here too, but sometimes it's not so nice like the one in the camera. Okay, yeah. Let me go down so you can see the whole thing. It's just so beauty. It's pink, light pink. There's so many flowers in here. Okay, let's go for another one. It's this one. You'll probably like it because it's a bright color. It's a pink too. It's the container number 2 is pink, and then number 3 is pink. But this one is pink, the color is brighter. You can see it. It's brighter. See the flower. It's in the container too. But see this one. He has a tree to hold it. Probably my dad tried to make this stand up. It's not as tall as you want to. See, okay. This one doesn't have a. This one doesn't have a lot of flower to compared to another two. But you can see he trying to do something else. You can see the flower here. That's a pink. You know what? I should change to the mowing mode because this one is it's not easy for you to see the difference between the colors. This one is brighter to me. I can see it's just brighter, but let's see. Okay, let's go to another one. This is red. There is a bright color. You can see it's in the container too. See, this is in container. He has in the pouch. Here he has yours. Let's see, it's pink color. It's nice. It's a bright pink. It's a lot of flower too. See, okay, now you can see it's a flower. This is nice, it's right. See, it's in container. You can see the trees. I think he cut the small one here, so he keep the big one. So we go in the container. See. But see, I think they have a flower a whole year. It's a year out. See, let me go around so you can see the whole box of flower. See, because he's so special. That's very nice picture. I think get this one. Okay, let's see. I think that's 3 here. Actually 4. Okay, you see this one. He has another one too. This one is a red color. It's dark red. And you can see this is here is darker, but this doesn't have a lot of flower, just only one. I show you here, probably because the tree is not healthy, so he put on the corner here so he can tweak it later. That's I believe so, because this one, let me see, I'm gonna go another one. He has okay, yeah, it has another one. This one kind of look taller. You can see it's taller. It's tall up to too high. It's up to the fence. This one. Okay, so here I can show you above here too. See, we have a lot of birds today. See. I don't know what's wrong, what happened to them. They have become a lot today. Okay, here, let's see. This is dark red too, but here you can see it. It's a red too. The leaf is a different color from another. The leaf kind of white on the side. But like I told you have to be careful when you roll these because they have the needle here. It's sharp. It's kind of stick in your skin, especially for kids. You probably didn't like it, but most kids love the color, so they just pick it. So be careful when you have a kid around your house when you roll this. You have to tell them. You have to watch them. But sometimes they get stuck one time. They learn it. I know because my niece, she always pick them when something have a flower. She pick it, and we stuck and she cry. And next time she won't do it again. Okay, here, this one. This is red. Look, this is red too. See? This is one of flower. You can see it here. See? A lot of flower on this one. This one is in the container too. You can see it. This one is red too. The red, dark red. The same with the another two, just to show you. The leaf they have white on the sides around the leaf, white color around the leaf. You can see it. Okay, probably this is the older another two, another because you can see the trunk here. I guess he cut it from this tree. He grabbed. I guess so. I don't know. This is nice, right? With pretty flower. Okay, let's see. He has a new of this. There's one more flower here. Okay. Okay, what's going on? Why you crying? Why you crying a lot? Okay, let's go next one. Is there no more? He has a different flower. This one is Jasmine too. That's in the rowing. At first he drew in the row, but because it's somehow I don't know why he put in the park, but probably because it's a cold winter, so easy for him to print this inside. This is a long time. It's in the rolling right now. It's rolling container probably 3-4 years ago. Probably the tree is long. I think it's more than 10 years. It's rolled for, I think it's rolled in 90s. It's 97, 98 something. 98 I think. See, there's a lot of flower when the time comes in. It's just a lot of flower and it smells very good. Yeah, it has one. It still has one left here. You can see here. That's this is jasmine tree and jasmine flower, and in the container it's big. He had to feed it because it is not enough for its survive. So he has to feed to some soil. Okay, you can see this flower. This is jasmine tree. Okay, on the way here I show you flower. Here flower. This okay. This is yellow, bright yellow orchid. This is no good now. Let's here yellow orchid. You can see the flower here. Ding 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 ding. This lasts very long. I think I seen the last time when I recorded the freckle tree. You remember that's a couple months ago. They still already there. It's lasts very long. There's any more flower? Here is another orchid. Bright yellow, beautiful. There's one more here. It's bright yellow, beautiful too. Okay, more flower here. And this flower, I don't know the name. It's in the container too. It's growing container, but it's easy to die because the tree, if not be careful, it's dead. Okay, see. Here flower, but you have another flower, just a couple of them. You can see it. So more flower. There's one more here. You can see it. See, I told you. It's easy to destroy. You see, it's dead. He had to. It's a very long time, but he has another one. It's a big one, but it's dead. You can see it. You can see it was a sop here. There's no flower here. Just a couple of them. But not very nice. There's one more here. It's in the container too. You can see. This is the box here. See. They have many branches. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. Wow, a lot. Wow. Many. It's like they have a party today. Christmas party. Probably they know I come out here. They know I come out here to record something. That's right. Wow. Tự nhiên đang làm một đống luôn nha. Con xách vái ngoài lên luôn. Okay. That's the right where it's also many branch. You see, this is. You can cut this one to grow in another part, and it's come out another flower tree. It's not a lot of flower. Just for them. See. Cái này nè ba khắp ra trồng xuống có cần bỏ thuốc gì không? Cái cây nhỏ nhánh nè.
Thuốc gì?
Hả?
Không.
Okay, yeah, that's the flower. Oh, this one is the jasmine tree too. It's a snow flower in here today. How about many flowers? This is this tree very long time ago. At least 15 years. At least 15 years. You see, the trunk is big. It's in the container. So in the winter he can put it inside. And this one is the Gardenese. It's no flower today, but I show you how the tree look like. The Gardenese is the one too. It's over 15 years. You can see it. You have to branch. Have to burn it so it's not getting too tall. But you have to, because see the body of the tree is big, is right. And this one is Vietnamese New Year's yellow flower. I don't know the name, but I just say it because every Lunar New Year's they come up the yellow flower. That's why they have, when celebrate New Year, they cut the flower, they decorate inside the house as a represent the New Year time. But before the New Year, you have to, as at least half months before the New Year, you have to remove all the leaf. So you just only drum here, the trunk, the branches, so the flower come out. Okay, let's when my dad do it, I show you guys to see how it's work out, and then we will get some flower for you guys when the New Year come. But the easy is sensitive with the weather too. It's hard to live in the winter. So before he ruined in front of the house was because when the tree get older, he afraid it's die. I think he had 2 or 3, but die. 2 of them died. So he had to put in container. And now on the day too cold, he brings this inside the house. Actually, not inside the house. It's in the patio, so he can cover it and cover. So yeah. Okay, let's go to another. Let me see. Does he has any more flower? Okay, here. This one. But this one, look, maybe aloe. I guess so. They have come up a flower. Okay, I promise you next time I will find out the name and detail. I will tell you guys in detail. That's it. That's for a flower. Okay, here one more. I have a flower too. It's not a flower, just one, but I just want to show you this around Christmas time. What's the flower we have? And if you want to grow some flower for this Christmas, you can buy it for the Christmas and New Year actually. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.